Has your child ever said that they can't stop scrolling on social media? Or have you noticed their mood, sleep, or self-confidence change after spending hours on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube? If so, you're not alone. I'm attorney Tracy Paulson with Rightful Legal. And right now, families across the country are taking legal action over what's being called the social media addiction lawsuit. Major social media companies, which include TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, are being sued for claims that their platforms were intentionally designed to be addictive and harmful to youth's mental health. These lawsuits allege that social media companies built their platforms to keep young users scrolling, using features like endless feeds, autoplay videos, algorithm-driven recommendations, and constant notifications. All of this to maximize engagement and when it harms children and teenagers. Families say this design has contributed to real injuries. These injuries include anxiety, depression, body image issues, eating disorders, sleep disruption, and in some cases, suicidal thoughts and even suicide. In a landmark case, a recent one, a young adult who's known as 𝐂𝐨𝐬𝐿 brought claims alleging social media addiction caused them serious harm. Just before trial, TikTok settled this case. But other cases against Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, and YouTube are still moving forward in court. This is a very big deal. For the first time, courts are being asked to decide whether social media companies can be held legally responsible for designing platforms that addict young users and cause them harm. One of the biggest challenges in these cases is proving addiction. Defense attorneys argue mental health issues can have many causes, but plaintiffs' lawyers can say the evidence shows that these platforms were engineered to exploit the developing brains of children and teenagers. At Rightful Legal, we stand with families who believe that their children were harmed by social media addiction. We often see patterns like hours of scrolling that interfere with sleep or school, anxiety when someone's separated from their phone, obsession with likes and appearances, and withdrawal from real-world activities and connection, and noticeable changes in mood and behavior. This just is not normal teenage behavior. These may be signs of serious psychological dependency. If your child has been harmed by social media addiction, whether on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or similar platforms, you may have legal rights. Call Rightful Legal today for a free confidential case evaluation. You can reach me directly at 617-821-5856. I will explain your legal options, whether you may qualify for a lawsuit, and how we can help hold these companies accountable. If your social media has caused real harm to your family, please do not wait. Call me directly today. Thank you. I am here to help.